time to reuse this. Hello everyone, this is Shalmali from Dafty Dames and welcome back to our channel. So what are we doing today? Today we're going to do something which is very important in our Indian festivals. Guess what? We are making an Akash Kandil. You know that's important, right? Akash Kandil ke bina Diwali to nahi hoti. So that's what we're going to do, but with a twist. Let's go check it out.
So we'll need cardboard cutouts in 3 shapes, some decorative cloth, ruler, pen and scissors, hot glue gun and sellotape, a stapler, some glitter foam sheets, decorative laces and butter paper. So the 3 cutouts that I have made, I have measured them 17 by 17 centimeters each so that when they are joined, they are equally placed along each other. About 1.5 centimeters inside, and we'll just have to cut that out. So basically we'll need about 6 of the square ones, 8 triangular ones and 8 rectangular ones. So to start, just take the square cutout and take 4 of the triangular cutouts and place them around. And once that is done, we'll just have to attach it with the sellotape. Now make sure you attach it in a way that it can bend inwards. So once that is done, take another square cutout and place it alongside the triangle like this and just attach it with the sellotape. Again, we have to make sure that it is bendable. So once that is attached, just take it to the other side and attach there as well. And we continue this step until all the 4 are completed. And the lower half of our Akash Kandil is ready. Now let's move forward to the top part. So we just take these triangular cutouts and you see these gaps that are there. We just attach these triangular cutouts over there. Time to add the last square cutout. So you just take it and you apply sellotape all over and just attach it at the top. So make sure it is nice and secure because it needs to be nice and sturdy. This is the center part of the kandil. And it's starting to take shape. Now take the 4 triangular cutouts and उसको ऐसे एक लाइन में फॉर्म करके रख दीजिए. And just start attaching it at the points. So when you reach the end, just join the first and the last one together to form a box like this. और ये सीधा ऊपर place कर दीजिए and start attaching it to the center part. तो मैंने एक बना के रखा है पहले से, तो एक बार इसको सेलो टेप से हम लोग ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो हमारा आकाश कंदिल का स्केलेटन रेडी हो जाएगा. And it's done. So I've made one more skeleton a bigger one. तो थोड़ा सा मैंने बड़ा बनाया था पहले. This is about 17 centimeters and the big one is about 20 centimeters. So we are going to start to decorate the big one. And it's time to start cutting. So I've taken the red color for the square part and yellow for the triangle part. Oh, that reminds me of the haldi kumkum combination. Nice. And for the top and the bottom, I have taken this green colored cloth. Now it's a bit transparent, so I'm going to add a plain one inside as well. Time to bring out the gun. So now let's start attaching our kapada to our kandil. On and on the process keeps going. Cut out any excess part that's remaining outside so you get a nice clean finish. But we have left this one part incomplete. Why? You remember the twist I told you about, right? It's butter paper. So what we have done is we have stuck the butter paper in that empty part. And on top of the butter paper we'll be sticking this cloth, but we have made a cutout in the center. Why? You'll find out soon. Now to make this look nice, neater and prettier, we are attaching a decorative lace on the corners. And we do the same with the entire Akash Kandil, but on these borders we are going to use a nice and thick golden lace. So we stick that and we do it all over the kandil. So once that is done, I have taken a plain colored cloth and I have cut it into these nice strips, 4 of each, because we need that nice jhalar under our kandil. So you just take that and you staple it onto the kandil. So once that is done, just the top portion is remaining. So we'll just have to apply some glue on that. And we just have to attach the nice decorative lace on it. Now this is a different lace, okay? It has a nice jhalar wala feel to it. And it's time for the twist. What are we going to do? We are going to personalize this kandil. Yes, see, I've cut out some names, some letters. Let's see what I'm going to write on my kandil. Let's start sticking.
And our Akash Kandil is ready. And it is so beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but I just love it. And I'm so excited for Diwali to just hang this up. I'm going to do it right now to show you guys, of course, but I'm so excited for Diwali now because this has turned out to be so beautiful. So make sure that you make your own and you can write your name. Well, I have written our name, channel's name, that is Dafty Dames, but you can write your surname or your pet name or whatever you want to be here. So that's how a personalized Akash Kandil is made. See you, bye-bye, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It's right there in bold red letters. See you, bye-bye.